Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to trim audio in Audacity. It's pretty easy. All you need to have is of course an audio file ready that you have recorded, and let's get started. So this is the quick recording I just made for the sake of this tutorial. It doesn't make any sense, but here it is. Yo, what's up, what's up? Have a quick test. Yep. As you can see, that's it. And for example, here's a sort of noise from my mic, as you can hear. And I want to remove or trim that, for example. So what you want to do is you want to have this selection tool selected. And you want to click right here and hold your mouse click and drag it to the right. And you have now selected this part. And all you need to do is now click delete on your keyboard. And that will delete that part. And you have now just gotten rid of it. But what you can also do, if there's also noise at the beginning, you can either both manually delete it like this. But you can also do this. You can just select only this part and then just save it as a file, and you don't have to delete anything. You just leave it like that and just click on play.
Yo, what's up, what's up?
And
Yo,
it starts
what's
right
up?
here, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically it. And now you can export your file, and yeah, you have trimmed your audio file. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.